today I want to share with you a very delicious ground beef and egg recipe that I know you guys are really going to love. As I call it, un guisado de carne molida con huevo. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my amazing and delicious ground beef guisado. These are my ingredients. I have salt, garlic powder, black pepper, cumin. Of course, tomatoes, jalapeños, small onion, eggs, and of course the star, lean ground beef. Let's make it at home. Let's enjoy it with our beautiful family. So let's get started. To prepare this amazing guisado of ground beef, I have the extra lean ground beef. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and I was almost forgetting 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. The smoked paprika is really going to give it such a delicious and smoky flavor. Smoked paprika. And now that I have everything here right on top of my extra lean ground beef, I am ready to cook. Let's go to the stove. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of water. I'm going to add the ground beef and all the spices. And yes, you might be thinking, why is she adding water? I'm adding water because I don't want to add any oils to the ground beef. I want this to cook in its own oils and juices. So instead of adding oil to my pan, I added 1/2 cup of water. Yes, I want to eat this so delicious recipe, but yet I want it to be nice and lean. So here, while that's cooking, I am ready to prepare my tomatoes. I want to cube my tomatoes in small little pieces. All the ingredients are going to be cut the same way so that they really incorporate. Right now, the ground beef is getting nice and moist, cooking it in its own juices. And now I just want to prepare all the veggies. First, I want to start with the tomatoes because I want the tomato to really break down and disappear in this guisado. So this is the part where you really want to cut and cube all your tomato. I am going to continue with the onion. I'm going to use a medium-sized onion. Yes, I'm using the whole onion. For this guisado, you really want all the juices to really penetrate the ground beef. This is a recipe that my mom used to cook for us when I was a child. I come from a family of 9, and believe me, my mom really had to cook lots and lots of food and make different types of food for us. I am so grateful for my mother because I know that my mother showed us so many recipes and she always cooked with lots of love. No matter what she would prepare for us, she would always cook with us, show us how to cook beans, how to make the rice. We started from a very small age learning how to cook. We had to help my mom cook at home because we were so many kids at home. But this recipe I really loved when I was a child. I remember my mom making this recipe a lot for us, and I remember everybody wanting some eggs from this recipe. You could imagine 9 kids and my mom making this amazing and delicious guisado. Well, let me continue while telling you that when you make this guisado, you're really going to love it. The jalapeños are not spicy at all, but they really give this guisado such a delicious flavor. Remember that all these veggies are going to break down and you could barely going to see them when they start cooking with the ground beef. Well, here I am ready to finish with all the jalapeños cut them in small little pieces. I am using jalapeno because the jalapeno is not spicy at all. So I am cubing it almost the same size as the tomato and the onion. Once this is done, let's go see how the ground beef is getting. It's getting nice and cooked. You could already see all those juices, and that's exactly how you want it. Look at this. I am going to add all the tomato, jalapeno, onion. I'm really going to incorporate it really good. Once it's nice and incorporated, you really want the ground beef to absorb all the flavors of the tomato, onion, and of course the jalapeno. If you don't love spicy food, don't add the jalapeno, but let me tell you, the jalapeno never comes out that hot, that spicy, but it gives it such a delicious kick. Well, here I am going to go ahead, let it cook in medium heat, but I am going to cover it. Remember, I told you that I want the tomato and all the veggies to almost disappear with the ground beef. So I'm going to cover it, cooking it in medium heat. After about 20 minutes, look at all those juices. You could barely see the veggies on the top. Look how amazing this looks. The aroma, just perfect. Remember, when you cook it like this, you're going to love it. I am going to add the eggs right on the top. Make a little indentation into the ground beef so they really start cooking. I'm going to add the eggs here, and then I'm going to cover them and turn off the stove so that the egg is still a little bit runny. My mouth is watering because I know this always comes out so delicious. Now that it's nice and bubbling, I am ready to cover it and just cook it for a couple of minutes. And then I am ready to serve and enjoy it. Now this is completely done. After 3 minutes, this is done. And I am ready for making my own plate. Look at this. This is the plate of the presentation. If you got up to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continue growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell so you get all those notifications of the new recipes I put up every week. Of course, some tortillas, and I'll see you in a bit. Amazing ground beef guisado with egg. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes, of course, with my tortilla. Let's see. So delicious. You really need to make this amazing guisado. The egg is still runny and delicious. I hope you make it and you enjoy what Cooking with Gloria enjoys with her beautiful family. I hope, my friends, you make it and you enjoy it with your beautiful family. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you soon. Bye-bye.